Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate creating multiple structures in C. So I'm going to create a structure of type character, or I'm going to call it of type character, and I use the keyword struct and then character, and within that structure, I'm going to put three variables. The first one's going to be a character array called f_name for a character's first name. The second one's going to be L_name for a character's last name. And then the third one is going to be an integer called age. I'm going to have a semicolon at the end of this. And now I'm going to create a structure array, if you want to think of it that way, called super_name. And we're going to have three items in that. And I'm also going to create an integer I. And now I'm going to do a for loop. I'm going to say for I equals 0, I is less than 3, I increments each time through the loop. What we're going to do is we're going to say printf, enter the character's first name, and then we'll do a scanf, and we're scanning into a character array, and it's going to be soup name at the I position dot f name, and then we're going to printf, enter the character's last name. Okay, we're going to scanf, another character array, soup_name at the I position, but we'll do dot l name, and then we're going to printf, enter the character's age. Okay, and we'll do a scanf. We'll do a percentage d this time because we're looking for an integer and we have to have an ampersand. And then we'll do soup_name at the I position dot age, and that'll conclude our for loop. Okay. And so after that, we'll do another for loop. We'll use I again. We'll say it, reset I to 0. We'll say I is less than 3. And we'll increment I up by 1 each time through the loop. And we'll do a printf statement. And we'll say %s is %d years old. Do a new line character at the end of that. And then we'll go down here and we'll do the supernatural character or name. Actually, this should be character, right? Let me see what I called it up here. Oh, no, I said name. Okay. Probably should have been character. But anyways, so let's go back down here. So we'll go up and we'll do name, supernatural name at the I position, and then dot first name, supernatural_name at the I position dot last name, and supernatural character name at the I position dot age. Okay, and then we'll finish up that for loop, and then we will return 0 at the end of this function, the main function, and we'll save our file. Let's open up and compile. So we're going to go gcc struct_mult character.c, and we'll output struct_mult_character. And now let's run it. Okay, what's the character's first name? Dean. Character's last name? Winchester. Age 41. Character's first name? Sam. Last name? Winchester. Age 37. And then let's do Bobby. Last name Singer. Age, I'm going to make up an age, 61. So then you see, and it prints it out. Dean Winchester is 41 years old. Sam Winchester is 37 years old. And Bobby Singer is 61 years old. So that's how you create sort of a structure array and loop through it in C. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.